Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to get mean, median, and standard deviation using SPSS. And we get mean, median, and standard deviation of continuous variables. Continuous variables can be age, it can be height, and it can be weight. So the variable we are going to work with today is age, and we are going to use SPSS to get the mean, the median, and standard deviation of age. As you can see here, we have our variables. So when you look at our variables are here, which we have in our data, when you look at the variable view, and our data is right here. So to get the mean, median, and standard deviation of age, come to analyze, descriptive, statistics, frequencies. Then you right click there. After right clicking, the age, most times you can find the age in this box or the variables you have in your data. Then you click on this arrow to put it in this box where there are variables you're going to work with. So this box contains the variables you're going to work with. So we want to work with age. And if you want its standard deviation, mean and median, we come here to statistics. After putting it in that table, come to statistics. So sometimes these things are not ticked. They are like that. So you come and tick them. That means you want to get the mean. Then you tick the median. In case you want to get the mode, you also tick it. You can tick the sum, standard deviation. If it is not ticked when the box like that, you also tick it. You can go on to get the minimum, the maximum, variance, anything you want, as long as you're seeing it here, the quartiles, percentiles. But today we are learning how to get the mean, median, and then standard deviation. So we've ticked them, then we continue. After continuing, you either say OK or paste. I have taught in the previous video of importing data in SPSS, the importance of using paste and how is it different when you tap OK. So you can look out for the video and also understand the difference. So when we paste, we are going to come to our syntax because our command is going, when you paste, your command is pasted in that syntax window. So you find it here. But when you say OK, the command will not be pasted. You get the results right away. So I will select the command and then I run it using this green triangle. I click on it and then I'm able to get my results. As you can see, we have statistics, we have age. Here they are telling us that we have 13 participants who are missing age, but the mean age is 55.24, the median is 54, and then the standard deviation is 12.082. Thank you so much for listening to me. Kindly subscribe, like, share. Let me know what you'd like to learn next. Bye-bye.